Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change home screen mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. By default, when you slide to the left on your home screen, you will see all the apps installed in your Oppo handset. To change this home screen mode, go to Settings. Then go to Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Always On Display. Now select Home Screen Mode. By default, Standard Mode is selected. Choose Drawer Mode and tap on Apply. From the confirmation box, tap on Switch. Now swipe up on the home screen to enter the app drawer. All the installed apps are displayed in the drawer. Now go back to the settings. You can also choose Simple Mode. Then tap on Apply. From the confirmation box, tap on Switch. Now go back to your home screen. And you will see larger text and icons, louder ringtones, and a simplified settings list will be activated. To exit from Simple Mode, again go to Settings. You can simply select Exit Simple Mode, or you can go to All Settings. Scroll down. Then go to Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Always On Display. Now select Home Screen Mode. Scroll down and select any of these home screen mode. So in this way, you can change home screen mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.